Hello guys, how you doing? It's me again, Ahmed Jamayan. I'm doing this video to show you guys how to set up your build it all system with the iMarkets Live currency moving system with this video. So make sure that you follow this video step by step. Make sure that you've already purchased your domain name and make sure that you've received the system by myself. And basically, I'm going to show you how to connect the system and have it running within the next 24 hours. Okay. I want to share my screen and show you the steps step by step. Let's go. Okay, so first and foremost, what you need to do is you need to go into builditall.com/login and log in with your email and password, okay, that you use to sign up, okay? Now, once you use that email and password to sign up, make sure that you send that email address to me once you've activated your account, and I will send over the system and transfer it over to you so that it's ready in your build it all system, all done for you. All you have to do is change three things. You have to change your mailing list, which I want to show you step by step. And the second thing is your sign up link. And then the third thing is connected to your own domain name, which way you would have got it from GoDaddy. So make sure that you create, find the domain name that you like, create an account, purchase it. Most of the time, if it's your first time, you could get domain names as cheap as 99 pence, 99 cents, no more than £7-8, guys, okay? And if you can, try and find a .com, right? Whatever your name is, .com, whatever your team name is, .com, whatever you want to brand yourself, .com, okay? If not, then find .co.uk, but .com is preferably what I would look for, okay? So once you've logged in, what you want to do is you want to click under Builder, click on drag and drop pixel perfect, and then what you want to do is you want to click on my site, which will be this section right here, okay? So I'm going to click that just to make sure that you guys are with me. Okay, there you have it. So I already have my two systems connected. What I'm going to do on this demonstration purposes, I'm going to collect the registration form into my GoDaddy account, right? So let me just log into my GoDaddy account as well. So this is the account that I'm trying to connect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Manage. I'm going to use this domain. And it's going to take you to your domain manager, okay? Once you get to your domain manager, just click on underscore and then click on all domains. Very, very important. Just click on all domains and change it to the list settings. Once you have it in this list settings, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the relative system or the domain name. So for this demonstration purposes, I want to choose the currency mover system, and we're going to click on name servers. So let's click on set name servers. So this is the default name server that is selected. What we're going to do is we're going to create a customizable name server. So click on customizable and enter customizable name server. And what you want to do is you want to go back into build it all. Once you have your system and you're ready to activate your system, make it go live, we're going to click on more options and we're going to connect domain name, okay? Now, if you want to buy your domain name, you can buy your domain name directly through build it all, and they will, do all the changes for you. If you want to do it, keep it very, very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to click on CDNS, and which is basically all regions, and make sure that you basically use the example given, right? So it's telling you to enter the website name .com, no www, no HTTPS, right? HTTPS, okay? So for this example, I'm using currency mover system .com, right? Just gonna double check. Correct. .com. Perfect. So once we've done that, you're going to click on save. As you can see here, you have the instructions in front of you telling you exactly what you need to do. So for your domain to work properly, you must follow these steps. Wait at least 5 minutes. Access the site where your domain is registered, which is GoDaddy.com or Namecheap or whichever one that has your domain. I would recommend you all use GoDaddy.com. Now go into the settings to change the DNS server, change the NS server to ns3.l4dns.com and ns4, right? So what you want to do is you want to copy this section. And then as you can see, it says wait around 1 hour for the DNS to pagination. And this can take up to 48 hours in some cases, okay? Now, as you can see, if you already have your domain working with an email service, be sure to contact support, explain the situation to avoid losing the connectivity between the servers, okay? So what you're gonna do is click on, I got it, let me connect the domain, right? But before we do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we've set the name servers across, right? So tick the domain name, click on name servers, customize, and enter your name service. So what we've done is copy and paste. All we're gonna do is change this 3 to a 4, click OK. Once it's validated, you're gonna click on save, and that's it, you're done, right? In fact, you can just close this now, we don't need this anymore. Let me connect it, right? Perfect. Once it's connected, that should give you an introduction from being inactive to refreshing to then telling you that it's, you know, underway. So it's not fully active right now. It could take up to 48 hours. So we're just waiting for this to activate. So let's make sure that we activate the SSL as well. That's why I'm recording this for you guys, so that you guys, you know, do not miss these basic steps. Make sure that you click on more options. Make sure that you have the SSL active. And last but not least, we're now going to publish this, and we should be done. Change successful. There you have it. Publication is pending. Please wait up to 48 hours. You can check on that. It should take no longer than 4 to 6 hours. Usually it takes up to 24 hours. Worst case scenario, it could take up to 48 hours. And then what will happen is your website will then become active after a given time, right? So make sure this turns into active. And then as you can see, for example, I'll show you the currencymovers.co.uk. There you have it. The system will be active after receiving the activation button, and you should be ready to go. There you guys have it. I hope that video has helped you. Any questions, you know where I am. Reach out to me, leave a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel as well, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.